Hello there, Clayton Stufflebeam, PFR Agronomist with Beck's Hybrids. As a farmer, each and every year, you have to make critical decisions for your growing season. I'm still a believer that none of those decisions are as critical as the corn planter pass. So I invite you to a local planter clinic in your area coming soon. Couple of reasons why I would join one of our planter clinics. Number one, we're going to tie together corn planter attachments, corn planters as a whole, and research data that is unbiased in relationship to each of those items. We're also going to cover in-field setup, how to level your planter, how to set up the row unit, how to maintain that row unit, whether it's parallel arms, gauge wheels, closing wheel tails, drive systems, bulk fill. We're going to help you set it up. We're going to talk to you about the brands of planters as well. So if you've got a Case IH planter, a John Deere, or a Kinsey, or a precision planting planter, we're going to help you set that up best for your success for the planter season. So I hope to see you at one of our local planter clinics. Thank you.